It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, baby. Hi, guys. Welcome to my cooking show. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hi, guys. Welcome to my cooking show. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a simple and easy garlic mashed potato. These are the ingredients you're going to need: minced garlic, garlic powder, parsley, a double parmesan cheese, butter, your potatoes, and here I have 1 tablespoon of yogurt with 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I use that to make my everything. Now that you have seen all my ingredients, let's get started. Here I have my potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and peel my potatoes. Guys, you can use any potato of your choice. I am using, I think this is the roasted potatoes. I'm not sure. I just like to use these yellow potatoes to make my mashed potato. It comes out smoother to me with this potato. I like the texture of this potato whenever I use it to make my mashed potato. So here I am peeling my potatoes. You can use a knife to peel your potatoes, or you can go ahead and use a peeler. I use a knife because it's faster and easier to me than for me to be there with the peeler and still have to go back over my potato to get the extra skin off with the knife. So there I have a bowl with some water. I'm just gonna peel all my potatoes and put them in the water. And when I'm done peeling my potatoes, I'm gonna wash them. Okay, now that you have seen me peel all my yellow potatoes, I also like to put red potato with my yellow potatoes. And the reason being I use the red potato is because I want the skin of the potato in my mashed potato. So I'm peeling the red potato, but I'm going to leave some of the skin on. So when I'm mashing my potato, I get a little of the skin. I get some skin in my potato. So here I'm just peeling the potatoes. Be careful with your knife, guys. Don't cut these things in your hand because it's hard. Now here I'm showing you the potato in the water. I finished peel and you can see I leave the skin on. Now on the other side I have my pot. I bring the water to a boil. My stove is on medium heat. Make sure your stove is on high or medium heat. You can't boil potato on low heat, guys. So here I'm just having them in the water. I'm gonna cover this and let it come to a boil. After it comes to a boil, I'll show you the next step of how to create your garlic mashed potato dish. Oh yeah, I forgot guys. I like to season my water with adobo instead of salt. So I put a little adobo in the pot where the potatoes are. And now I'm just gonna leave this, let it come to a boil. And then I'll come back and show you the next step. My potatoes are finished boiling. I drained the water from it, all the water, and set it to the side. Now I'm going to show you how to make your garlic butter to put on the potato. So here I have, like, I would say 1.5 tablespoon of butter, or 2 tablespoons. I would say 2 tablespoons of butter. Then I'm going to go ahead and put some garlic powder. Now there I am putting the garlic powder. Then get 2 tablespoons of, 2 tablespoon butter and 1 heaping teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I'm just stirring this around to let the garlic basically cook. You don't want it to burn, guys. So make sure your stove is on low heat at this time. Guys, just keep whisking, stirring it around, because you don't want your garlic to burn. Please don't let your garlic burn, guys. Just keep stirring. As soon as you see it looks something like this, go ahead and turn it off. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and mash my potatoes. Here I'm mashing my potato, guys. Guys, you can use anything of your choice to mash your potato. This thing mashed the potato so easy. So easy. But of course it won't be the thing I use to cream my mashed potato. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you how I cream my potato. At this point you need to go get your mixer. If you don't have a mixer, get a hand mixer, get your whisk. So now I'm just gonna go around in circles with my mixer because I'm creaming this potato. There I'm adding my garlic butter. After I add my garlic butter, I'm just gonna go ahead and cream the potato. So at this point you can add your garlic butter and your heavy cream This is the best thing to cream your potato, guys. Here I'm adding the dry parsley flakes. Look at that, guys. Here's my end product. Look at that beauty, guys. Look at that. Now listen to me. You see this texture? Oh my God, when you taste this mashed potato and the yogurt give it this sweet and sour taste, like ooh-wee. This is heaven right here. I promise you. Putting your gravy in this thing and eating it. I keep thinking about eating this mashed potato, guys. And I ate it already. Oh my God. I need some more. I need some more. Guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm so happy to give you this recipe, guys. It's a pleasure for me to share what I have with you guys. It's a pleasure. Look at that. Oh my God, you just want to feel all this goodness squishing in your mouth. Here you have it, guys. Here's my end product. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.